Ghost don't stand a chance.
Roger.
Ghost
Moving.
killed a friend. I'm killing on sight.
Target. We're set. Target identified.
Target's in my crosshairs.
There's a breacher.
Hold on. Dead?
Good hits. There it is, boss. Breacher identified. Located a bad guy over there. Nice shot. Hostile identified. Over there.
Please, go away.
Heads up. Bad guy over there.
Holy fuck!
Let me see what we're up against.
Now everything's crystal clear. All day, baby.
There's a whole swarm of them.
What? Hey! Oh boy.
Sweet shot, Ghost.
Oh, what is it?
Exactly. If something pops off, I'm keeping my head down.
Did you hear?
Hey.
It's a fucking palace.
Roger that. Moving now. Ready to shoot.
Just do your damn job. They do goddamn well. There's
Roger.
nothing out here.
Getting in position.
Ready, boss.
Roger. Got the heavy.
God damn it!
Killed him. Well done.
I got nothing. No movement, no contact, no nothing.
You got anything? I got nothing. No, I'm not doing it. Anything wrong?
goes, everyone. We got hostiles in the area. Way to get some.
I'll give you a better look.
We've got a leg up on them.
I bet Snellsville is bigger than most castles.
Nicely done.
Don't! Please!
Got one. Over there.
No! No!
Bad guy spotted.
Roger, moving to target. On your go, Ghost Lead.
Moving to the target.
The target marked, boss. Clear. They're gone. Nice
Scanning the area. Scan shows a ton of hostiles.
Oh, hell!
Holy shit. Nice shot, boss.
Hostiles are aware of our presence.
I'm taking some cover!
Damn it, we're compromised.
Hey, move your ass!
Standing.
We're under attack!
Located a bad guy over there.
They're here! Find me some targets, yo! Please! Please don't hurt me! We need eyes on enemy locations!
Clean kill, Ghost.
Guys, get ready. Shit's here somewhere.
Let's do some damage.
That's the stuff.
That's it. All good.
Hey, stay away. What are you doing?
What do you want?
Heads up, everybody. Got guests at the party. Hostile identified. Over there.
Please. I'm not doing anything wrong.
I heard that.
Howdy. Unless you want me to ventilate your skull, why don't you tell me how to get in the skills lab, huh?
Reacher on the objective.
Spotted one. There. Heads up. Bad guy over there. Spotted one. There. Eyes on hostile. Roger. Moving to the target. Heads up. Bad guy over there.
I'm on the target.
Okay, Ghostly. We're clear.
Solid work.
Spotted one. There.
I'll show you the area. Interesting. Sending results.
Now you're just showing off. Eyes on hostile. Got a hostile position there.
That's it.
Get down!
attacking us!
Damn it. They know.
Guys!
One shot, one kill.
Greetings, stranger. Could you help me? I'm in need of some info. Thanks, stranger.
We'll have him soon. There's so many places that guy can hide.
That's the stuff.
I've had stupid jobs before. But this shit.
Let's say Skelly is
Nice
dumb
shot.
enough to go back there.
Located a bad guy. Over there. Got a hostile position there.
That's it.
Spotted one. There. Eyes on a hostile.
Damn it!
Hostile identified. Over there. Outstanding.
Got a hostile.
Got a hostile position there. I see a support unit, boss. Located a bad guy. Over there.
Oh shit. Whoa, man down! Hostiles in the area! Damn!
Jay Skell? Come on, we gotta move. Shit. All right, listen. My name is Nomad. I'm part of a team sent here to see what the hell's going on with Aurora. Now, Maurice Fox said I could trust you. To be honest, I don't. But the people coming after you are trying to kill me. So what do you say we help each other?
Is Fox working with Yana Puri? The woman who took over as CEO? Who's working with those animals?
No. No, he's in the cave with mad shells.
Cave?
You know what? It's cooler than it sounds. Come on, grab your stuff. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta move.
It's my fault. All of this. I can fix it.
Yeah.
The answer to drones. Operation Citadel. Right now, Citadel's keeping people in. But we can use it to free Aurora.
Hey, tell me. What does Walker have to do with any of this?
Walker was our military advisor. He led the takeover of Aurora. All he wanted was the drones. I thought he was a friend.
Yeah. I did too.
Well, that just brings a tear to my eye.
Go, go, go! What the fuck?
Walker.
Josiah.
It's good to see you, Nomad. Glad that you're still above ground.
No thanks to your lack of trying.
You have to know this is not personal. He has a reason for being here, and it makes sense.
Josiah, don't be an idiot. That man is a traitor.
He's a revolutionary. And we have a plan to make the world better.
You killed my soldiers. You killed Weaver.
We've chosen to become the warriors we were meant to be. Your masters that they don't believe in anything. We'll make you an offer, Nomad. Hand over Jace. Join us.
You gonna turn me over?
No.
Good old Nomad. You always were righteous.
That class is bulletproof.
Like hell it is. We need to get out of here. That's the way out.
We vent toxic fumes through there. It might kill us.
They will definitely kill us. Let's get going.
One time in Fallujah, I saw a guy beating his wife half to death with a shoe. Try to shoot her. Rifle jam.
All good. That guy spotted.
Damn it! None of this makes sense. I know Josiah. He's one of the good guys.
They were gonna kill me.
Makes me wonder why the hell I don't.
What? Hey, they took over the island, right? They stole my company. I'm one of the good guys.
Yeah. Then why'd you sink that cargo ship?
The ship was taking drones off the island. These drones could be the most powerful weapon since a nuclear bomb. I had to decide. I had to stop it. Was anyone hurt?
I was told a few crew members died.
I'm sorry. I had to choose, you know? A few weeks ago, they field tested the drones in South Asia. They accidentally killed unarmed civilians. I tried to shut it all down, They were taking over the island. Sinking that cargo ship was my only option.
I've seen what your drones can do. A few homesteaders and Skeltec employees were trying to leave the island by boat.
No. What happened?
It wasn't pretty. At least Fox and Harmony made it out okay.
This isn't what I wanted at all. Where are you taking me?
Air One. That cave where a bunch of homesteaders are holed up. Fox is there too.
What the hell?
Mads, this is Jay Skell, CEO of Skeltec.
Yeah, I know who he is. How long we been neighbors? Maybe you should have tried to be friendly before you needed help.
Oh, I was wrong. I thought you and your friends wanted to be left alone. It's nice to finally meet you.
Yeah.
Fox was right. He wasn't the one behind Sentinel's takeover of Aurora. Walker was. Now they're after him because he could take down the drones.
And you think it's a good idea to bring the egghead here?
You want to throw him to the wolves?
It's better than the wolves coming here.
Jace!
Oh, Harmony. Are you okay? Are you hurt?
I'm okay. We missed you. Are you gonna stay with us?
Harmony, I don't know if that's a...
Matt? Is he gonna stay? You have to let him stay.
Yeah, all right, okay. Of course he can stay.
Awesome. Let's go set up your computer.
Mads, thank you. I'm gonna do all I can for you and your friends. I promise you.
You know, just how many damn computers are you all gonna set up? And speaking of which, your dad's got something he needs to show you.
Drones. Drones? They're gonna put this thing on drones?
I know. Of course they're doing everything they can to stop it.
Fox, Mads said you had something to show me.
Jace! Oh, Fox. It is so good to see you. So great.
Thank you for trusting him.
He's here, but I'm still making up my mind about him. Shaw said you had something.
This is important. Someone still with the company sent me this video they shot with their smart glasses.
Terrorist activity was reported in your area. Please stay indoors and cooperate with security forces. A Skeltec security alert is in effect. Terrorist activity was reported in your area. Please stay indoors and cooperate with security forces.
Do something!
This didn't have to be unpleasant.
Daddy!
Found just the guy you need for your Wonderland. I appreciate mid-level managers who still get their hands dirty. Don't you? Get him in the truck!
Move it! Quit your caterwauling. Won't have any of my guests crying like a virgin on prom night. Let's go! Don't you glare at me, son of a bitch.
I'm a simple man. You promised to cooperate. And as you can see, I do not abide broken promises.
My God, that's Trey Stone. He's the CEO of Sentinel, a private security firm.
And you hired him?
Not to do that. Miles, a government liaison, he suggested I hire Stone.
Peter Miles. He's a company man behind Operation Greenstone. He sent us here. Did that asshole set us up to fail?
Man, I hate managers like that. You were never like that, Jace.
How involved is Peter Miles?
Someone bombed one of the labs at Manganui.
The bombing was enough to push me into making lethal drones. Miles showed up with the funding, and we created the Omega security program.
And then Walker came on board as a military advisor.
And when you tried to shut them down, they took over. We need to get you civilians off the island. And I need to get reinforcements.
I've been working on a way to make that happen.
Yes! That's my homie.
I found a flaw in the drone control program. I'm working on an exploit, a virus, that can take control of a single sector of drones.
That would allow a ship to leave the island.
Yes, but I need help.
If it's enough to let troops land, I'll lend a hand.
Thank you, Nomad, really. I'm setting up a workspace. Come by and I'll tell you what I need.
This feels awesome. Like before I just felt like a big wimp. You know what I mean? My stomach was all acidy and I really just wanted to eat some fish tacos. But now, I mean, this feels great. Like we're gonna kick some ass. This feels awesome.